Berserker Brotherhood here, going to do an unboxing for a WEILISI, W-E-I-L-I-S-I brand 10-inch RGB selfie ring light with tripod stand. Alright, so what you first see, 3 boxes and some stand stuff. This box here. Alright, it says it has a lifetime warranty. Here's your user manual. This is the grip. I'll open that up in a second. Here's the stand with the tripod. And here's the ring light. I'll open that up in just a moment. Alright, so once you open everything up, there's the box that came in again. So you have the ring light here, and if you look at this piece, this is your power button on the side of it. RGB changes the colors. It looks like a different mode and an up and down. I don't know if that actually makes it move, or we'll figure that out when we do a review. Here is the piece that is adjustable when you connect it to the stand to hold your phone. I don't know what this thing is. I'm assuming it's like a start-stop for your phone, kind of makes it remote. We'll see how that works if you plug it in and make that go down. And here's the stand, telescopic stand. Should look like this when it's all set out. And here's the final product, everything put together, how it looks. The stand, it took me less than a minute to assemble the pieces and throw the phone in there. So far, seems stable enough for 24 bucks, what I paid for it on Amazon. It's doing what it said it's going to do. We'll see how long it lasts. So I'm going to start recording with it today and tell you how it goes. Thanks everybody. Out. If you want one for yourself, the link is below in the description. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.